Don't you understand me? Don't you wanna be free? Don't you wanna scream? Capiche, capiche. Don't you understand me? Don't you wanna be free? Don't you wanna scream? Capiche, capiche. Don't you understand me? Don't you wanna be free? Don't you wanna scream? Capiche, capiche. Don't you understand me? Don't you wanna be free? Don't you wanna scream? We built like monsters, organized like mobsters. Baby face baloney, we don't condone it. Fuck with us, you'd be thrown out of suicide doors. Roll out lucky to survive it. We stop you at gas stations, we cut you up like hogs. Sell you to the next armor, they'll eat you up like dinner. Snuff films in the dark web, prices go up on my merchandise. I entice the most fucked up and they always realize. I entice the most fucked up and they always realize. Capiche, capiche. Don't you understand me? Don't you wanna be free? Don't you wanna scream? Capiche, capiche. Don't you understand me? Don't you wanna be free? Don't you wanna scream? Shoddy heathen, take out the living is what I enjoy most. Disturbing the sleeping and give them a fucking good roast. My appetite for gore and bloody messes test my boundaries. Art of war, my dictionary is fiction, it's fatality. I bury the hatchet, only if I fucking use it first. No more backstabbing 2023, no more casualties in my life. No more loss of friends, cause they don't fucking exist. I love the dead more than living, I'd rather help those gone than the ones around me. Capiche, don't you understand me? Don't you wanna be free? Don't you wanna scream? Capiche, capiche. Don't you wanna be free? Don't you wanna be free? Don't you want? My life is like a dead end, but I U-turn that bitch even if it's crossed out. Lane drawn out, but I always take the trucker's route. Snowed in, but I always drive out. Fly the rail, but I'm still flying high now. Life turned upside down, but I always look up with a smile on my face. Even if I held hostage by the devil, even reign supreme, cause money, taxes, and greed. How can we succeed in such a beautiful, sick world? We gotta fight, use your might, pop some spinach, enjoy the night. But at the same time, check your ammo and cock that bitch up. Watch your backs, get ready to shoot, practice roulette if you have to. They'll take you out, it's no sweat off their backs, dipshits and mansions. Robe wearing evil, looking straight out of like a reaper. They probably work together to make more room in their chambers. This life might as well be the Holocaust and we the cadavers. This life might as well be the Holocaust and we the cadavers.